and welcome back to another episode of Mobile Minute. I'm Steve Gimperly, and today we'll focus on the unsupported apps area of the mobile view within Axiom. As a quick reminder, this is a visualization and not an emulation of the apps from a device. It's also good to remember that the apps may not appear in the same placement as the apps on the source device. In the mobile view, we can click on Unsupported Apps to see apps that are not pre-parsed. When you click on an app, you'll see the relevant files associated with that app. This will allow you to find data associated with that app very quickly. Was the app relevant to this case? Was it recently installed? What permission does this app have? You can quickly develop an intel report on the application that may be in question. With this device, and in this example, we're going to click on Google Camera. This brings up all the files associated with this app. If we were switched back to artifact view, you can see that we have media hits. In this case, they're images that were taken with this app. You will also see application usage. Under application usage, you can find some very vital information regarding how this app was used. You can see the usage history, when and how this app was used. You can see applications permissions, which will show you what permissions were given to this app. Here you can see that it was given application to permission for the camera, which is true, the permission to write to external storage. Also, you can see when this app was actually installed and what account was used to install this app. All things that may be vital and relevant to your case. If we go back to mobile view, it also has a number of viewing options at the bottom. By clicking on viewing options, you have the option to either show or hide the labels under the different apps. You have the ability to show the mobile wallpaper or hide that mobile wallpaper depending on your preference. You can also use a preferred view for apps or use a basic column view. Now the preferred view is relevant if we want to look at something like chat messages. Chat messages will show up in a preferred view where you can see the chat messages to the side. And then we also give you the option to show the most relevant artifacts for an app or to show all artifacts for a specific app. Magnet also offers the custom artifact generator on our website. This free tool makes it easy to create custom artifacts from CSV and SQL-like databases. To get this tool, go to magnetforensics.com, click on Resources, then on Free Tools, and then scroll down to Magnet's Custom Artifact Generator. When you click on this, you can download this, and the great thing about this is no coding experience is required. Thanks for joining our Mobile Minute, and we look forward to seeing you next time.